Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to explain how to import Toolset Types intermediate posts using WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Let's get started. I have created two custom post types in my toolset, movies and actors. I've already related these two and created an intermediate post for movies and actors with a many-to-many relationship. Let's take a look at the prepared CSV file. I added some post-related fields like post title, content, and status. Next, I added two essential fields, relationship slug and the intermediate field. In the relationship slug field, provide the slug value of your relationship from the toolset relationship configuration. Next, in the intermediate field, you can either provide your post IDs or post titles, separated by commas. I have provided them in the order movie and actor. For example, Inception as the movie and its actor Leonardo DiCaprio. Now, we're ready to import. Visit the WordPress dashboard and start uploading your CSV file. Choose the appropriate intermediate post type from the drop-down. Click Continue. If your CSV headers match the WP fields, the importer will automatically map the fields. Navigate to the Types Custom Fields section and map the relationship slug and intermediate posts field. Provide a name for the mapping and click Continue. Click Import. All the values are imported. Let's check them. Here is my post with the post title and description, and here is my intermediate post. I have successfully linked the movie and actor posts. That's it. You can easily import any number of intermediate posts using WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.